everyone, I'm Sheena from the GR Network, and today we're going to learn about Kahoot. After logging into Kahoot, you're going to see this page. It is your dashboard. On the left-hand side, you're going to see your profile, and on the right-hand side, you're going to see a blue button that says Create. Let's click it. So when you click it, you're going to see two options, one to create a Kahoot, one to create a course. Today, we're going to create a Kahoot, so let's click that. And now here are some templates of Kahoots that you can create, but we're going to create one from scratch. So let's do that. And here is your first question type. So I'm going to start by asking a question. What is this? And here I'm going to insert media. Now, prior to creating this Kahoot, I made a folder on my computer with images that are related to chickens because my students are learning about parts of a chicken and the life cycle of a chicken. So I'm going to click this because I want them to know about chickens being in nests. So the image will pop up here, and now I need to write the answers. So let's start with nest. Let's put house. Let's put beak, and let's put feet. Now you'll see that the little circles are jumping because it's trying to remind me to pick the correct answer. So let's click nest. Now here we have the question type. So this is a quiz type of question. If I go down here, you're going to see that it shows me other options. I could have made a true or false. I can have the students type the answer. They could slide to the answer, maybe reposition it in a puzzle format. Now I'm going to keep it as quiz. I'm going to set a time limit, 5, 10, 15 seconds, 1 minute, 1:30, 2, 3, 4. You choose what you like. So I'm going to make this 10 seconds. Now I can give points, standard points, double points, or no points. And then I can select how this image is shown when they first receive the question. So I'm going to click original, let's say. Okay, so let's add another question. As you can see, the question type shows up again, but this time I can see what it would look like. There's an example on the right-hand side. So I'm going to do a puzzle. Now let's see. Put the life cycle in order. Oops, excuse me. Now here we go. I'm going to find the life cycle photo and I'm going to insert it. So I can put anything I want here that is related to this image. So I'm going to put hen, chick, egg, hatchling. Now, you have to be careful because for this question type, it says add at least three answers in the correct order. They will be automatically randomized during the game. So the correct order in this case would be hen, egg, hatchling, and chick. So now, how long do I want the student to try to figure this out? Let's put 30 seconds standard. Let's give them double points. Why not? Let's save. And now I'm going to put a title. All about chickens. Now a description. This Kahoot is about parts of a chicken and their life cycle. Okay, let's press continue. Now it's validating my Kahoot, and here's a page where you can either test out your Kahoot, play the Kahoot, or share it with others. But let's go and test this Kahoot. You will see a preview of what would be your screen, maybe a projector, and then the student's device. So on the student's device, it's going to look just like this. They're going to actually press a button that says join now. And once they press join now, they're going to see something that opens up like this where it's asking them to put the game pin in. And we're just waiting for that game pin. It's loading. And now I'm going to click classic mode. We could do also a team mode, but usually I just go right here to classic mode. Now we're going to wait for a pin to show up and we're going to put it right in here. So now this is what would appear on your screen. The students can either on their devices enter this pin, or there will be another button that says scan, which they will use this to scan into the game. But we're going to put a pin in 527 4076. Let's press enter. And then it's going to ask for a nickname. I'm just going to put my own. As you can see, it says connection lost. That happens sometimes. Just be mindful of that and the internet in the location that you are playing this game in. And let's press OK, go. Now I'm in the game. Let's start. And the title shows up. And here's the first question. Now, what students are seeing on the screen, maybe on the projector, is this. Your question, your image, here are the answers. But on their devices, they're going to see this, and they need to be able to match it within the correct time. So now, obviously, I've lost time, so I gained no points. Let's go to the next one, the puzzle. This is just showing you two different ways that the questions can appear because you've set it up this way. Now, I need to put these in order quickly. So this is what they see on the screen. Now, okay, what am I going to put first? All right, let's move hen over here. Let's put egg over here. Then it was a hatchling, then it was a chick. Now press submit. And I was correct. Awesome. So now I'm done. The game is over, and you're going to see a 3-1 podium showing you who were the top scorers in your session. And there I am. I've won. Hooray. So this is what your students will experience. Now let me show you what this looks like in real time with my students.